I never had a father growing up. But at the same time, he was always around, you know. He would come around and he'll go leave again. Because one mistake and the building falls. If you miss something, you might die.
Do you ever label yourself as a narcissist?
I am, yeah. To some point, I lived with narcissists.
That's beautiful.
No, it kept falling.
It kept falling. How does one get into being a graphic designer?
A knack for type, type fonts,
Hmm.
maybe typography.
Hmm.
And for me, I started off in a very different field. So my type, it's both are designs, but my type of design was 3D designing, and graphic design is very 2D.
Hmm.
So usually people switch from 2D to 3D,
Right.
but I went reverse with it.
And how does that affect your journey? Getting into graphic design after you have been involved in something like architecture or interior design?
I got more creative because with architecture, what happens is you have to be practical about everything because one mistake and the building falls. With graphic design, you don't have to care about it. You can be how creative you want to be.
That's an interesting take. I feel like when a doctor has a bad day or a soldier has a bad day, there's probably been a death or something, right? When a video editor or a graphic designer has a bad day,
It's inspiration.
He'll just try again. He'll just try again next day, right?
Yeah,
How would you define design? Tell me what it has meant for you and in your life.
something that I couldn't do in my own life, in a way that as a designer, I believe a designer is a problem solver. That's the basis of it. And you just solve somebody else's problems if you can't solve yours.
And how do you objectively view design as a field or a force of study?
It depends on each design. You know, like if you think about graphic design is solely on how you're going to promote this product or how you're going to brand it. It comes when it comes to product design particularly, it is going to be more about how it's going to function.
Hmm.
You know, like let's say a chair. You get chairs which can fold. You get chairs which can't fold. But even with folding chairs, yesterday itself I went to a party and I saw this one chair which had 3 folds.
That's beautiful.
No, it kept falling
It kept falling.
because I did not know how to open that up.
Would you call that poor design?
Yeah,
Hmm.
because I want it in a click, right? We want everything in a click. This whole generation right now, they want everything in a click.
Do you personally feel that way though? Do you want everything in a click for yourself as a
I
person?
like the journey in a way that I like the old style designs when they did not know how to make it in one click. So they tried their best
Yeah.
to put everything in a compact way.
It was very arts
The
and
procedure
craftsy.
was the procedure was very nostalgic,
Manual.
very aesthetic, manual.
There's a very old Plato Aristotle debate. So it's like you think of a glass of milk. That glass of milk is the real thing. When you think of it, that is just an imitation of the actual thing in your mind, right?
Okay.
And when you draw a glass of milk, that is an imitation of an imitation already. The person who is in charge of this, they're adding something from them into that. They're adding their own representation, own opinion, own expression. And for art to be considered art, that uniqueness, that originality is always there, right? Gox का एक video viral हुआ recently. All artists are thieves,
Yeah.
right?
Have you read that book, How to Steal Like an Artist?
I have read off that book. I haven't read it yet.
So they have this theory that if you copy from one person, it's a copy. If you copy from 10 people, it's just case study.
It is. लोग बहुत literally ले लेते हैं, right? कि all artists are thieves. There's a huge metaphor behind it.
Because everything is copied. Even if I look at something, I don't even remember that exists.
Yeah.
But 10 years from now, if I make something,
You have your own layer of baggage you're
Yeah.
attaching to it.
it is going to be the same because it is the same.
Do you call yourself an artist?
I do.
What makes you call yourself an artist?
I don't think about making art as something that I should be doing. Something that I want to do. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't.
You're just doing it for fun's sake, right?
Yeah.
No outcomes expected.
Yeah, and the whole point is, like even when it comes to music, for that matter, when I released my debut single, I did not really think it would sell because it wasn't it wasn't something very extravagant or something very
You just
unique.
made a song.
I just made a song because I could.
Hmm.
And what happened was random people would text me saying, "Oh bro, you wrote about me. It is exactly what I did. It is exactly what I felt." Or people would come to me saying, "Bro, I actually played your song while I proposed to somebody else." And
That's
that is
crazy.
all I need to
That's
have.
amazing, bro.
I mean, that is the one thing that I'm craving for as an
Yeah.
artist.
Yeah.
This is why I make music.
There's a friend of mine. She said something very interesting. She artists either they are truly happy with what they do, or they get validation from it. But do you think that's bad to get validation from your art? Isn't
Absolutely not.
है ना? वही तो आपको एनर्जी दे रही है, वही तो आपको रोशनी दे रही है जो आप
I mean, why would you feel bad about feeling validated in the first place? You're doing something good. You're doing something good for yourself and the society. You know, narcissism as a whole, the whole point of being a narcissist is termed as a bad thing.
not always.
It's not exactly what I mean. It's not supposed to be a bad thing. The main character energy that they have that helps them grow and be on the top of their food chain.
A little bit you have to take your own identity that seriously to take whatever you're creating seriously, right?
Yeah, and I believe everybody is a narcissist in the way they believe. Like narcissism for me is them believing that they are a certain character.
What I believe is right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
everybody thinks that way.
a lot of people
It
do.
does not have to be somebody who is clinically narcissist.
No. That little bit of thing is always. Well, I feel all emotions are just tools, and
It's how you channel them.
exactly, you need to know what is the right time to be angry. You need to know what is the right time to cry. What is the right time to give a gali to someone. You just need to channel that emotion to help you get closer to where you want to be.
Yeah.
And fighter pilots are a great example, I say. They are taught narcissism. It's psychologically trained into them. Because when you are in that environment where you can't see anything, it's like, all directions, there's nothingness, right? Someone could easily freak out in that moment, right? Where am I? Who am I? आप एक सिंपल मोर रिलेटेबल एग्जांपल है इसकी आप एक अंधेरी सुनसान सड़क पे गाड़ी चला के जा रहे हो गांड फटेगी ना राइट
And the fact that if you miss something, then you might mess up everything.
एग्जैक्टली
Right? You might die.
सो इन
But
दैट
the
मोमेंट
fact that you have the confidence,
you
कि
need to believe
you are the best at it.
हाँ you need to
कौन
believe
करेगा
that
दूसरा?
you need to believe that
There are so many artists I've met who are great at what they do. It's just that they don't have the balls to actually put up their art.
do you ever label yourself as a narcissist
I am, yeah. To some point, I lived with narcissists. My nani, my mom. I lived with these two women all my life, and they were narcissists. Is why I know that I do have some traits of that. It's genetic,
आप उन्होंने
But-
रेज किया है जेनेटिक
हाँ.
भी है तो
but at the same time, I know where I need to draw a line.
And-
Where it is not hurting somebody else.
that is a generational quality हमने सीखा है ये we have learned to be
over time.
political correctness wasn't a thing like 50 years ago
It wasn't.
है ना तब आप बोल देते थे
It's like मेरे मम्मी ने ऐसे किया तो मैं भी मेरे बच्चे के साथ ऐसे करूँगी. It wasn't wrong. It was just the way we were taught.
why are people just running around all the time इतनी भाग दौड़ में हम क्यों आ गए हैं
Because if you don't run, somebody would go over you.
ये तो हिटलर की बुक में लिखा था ना his own struggle for getting to the top makes him insensitive to
He was
whoever he has
he
left
was an
behind.
amazing author.
He was a great writer yeah
Like
There's a-
I don't like Hitler as a person, but I love his book.
it's narrative building right
Yeah.
the fact that he was
He
able
was a
to
great manipulator.
real all writers are also manipulators all
Always,
artists are
always. In terms of art, like we can be the nicest people on this planet, but we need to know how to sell. And the artist who does not know how to sell is not an artist anymore because he won't survive.
भी आपके पास एक zen attitude है life में that's probably coming from a place of right now you feel settled in your life ठीक है
Stability helps.
before that stability what all things you had to face emotionally what all life experiences what all realities were you exposed to before you could become this chill
My dad's a filmmaker and he never lived with us as a whole. I never had a father growing up. but at the same time, he was always around. You know, he would come around and he'll go leave again. I never considered him as a father, so I had father figures like Uncle Phil from Fresh Prince of Bel Air. Then I had recently I watched this series called This Is Us.
Beautiful यार.
Yeah.
रोना
So
आता है.
yeah, so the guy from that.
Yeah.
So that's why I have this
he's
tattoo.
A beautiful dad, yaar. Beautiful dad.
I wish to be looking at him. I wish to be the father
All fathers should be
similar
like
to that.
Yeah, all fathers should look up to that.
Whenever I become a father.
Yeah. हम कॉल पे बात कर रहे थे. You said the reason why you're feeling so stable, it's also because you don't have any long-term goals right now. Right now you're just focusing on the present. You're going with the flow. Don't you still have the fear? Don't you still get anxiety? Don't you have bad days? What
I do have bad days. My bad days are when I don't feel like socializing with people. I just want my own space.
These are the things you are doing as a response to the bad. What is making it bad?
We don't need a reason to feel bad, I believe. We can be sad about nothing. You know, we all have those bad days when we don't even know what is bad about it.
It's amazing to be sad sometimes.
And I
yeah.
like the sadness as well. People, you know, villainize sadness so much that they forget why it's for. That they just like they don't want sadness at all.
I think एक reductive approach follow करती है हमारी society की. जो चीज़ मुश्किल है वो करो ही मत.
क्यों नहीं?
Just because.
Exactly.
है ना? Just because.
Like nobody asked them the question, what will happen if they fail? क्या होगा? They'll fail.
And they learn. Next time they won't. क्या आपको genuinely डर नहीं लगता आपके future के बारे में कि चीज़ें हाथ से निकल जाएंगी, कंट्रोल नहीं रहेगा. I won't have the same kind of facilities or privileges. इस चीज़ का डर नहीं लगता है कि अगर मैं रुक जाऊँगा तो मैं irrelevant हो जाऊँगा.
I had no direction in my life before, and even when I was in college, I spent most of my time rebelling against my family for them wanting me to have a stable life. And I hated that idea कि नहीं बनना यार, मैं artist हूँ, मैं तो survive कर लूँगा कैसे भी. It does not work that way.
Of course.
You have to find common grounds, is what I believe. I'm not saying that I'm the most stable in my life, but I am somewhere there. In a way that I have a good relationship with my parents. With my life, I have a direction. I love making music. I love getting replies when people tell me how they relate to my songs or how they have their stories to my songs.
You know, in Oppenheimer, there's the quote, can you hear the music?
Yeah.
You know, you don't need to know how to read sheet music. Can you hear it? Because in a musician's head, na, there's always something playing, you know. कुछ ना कुछ चल ही रहा है. आपने कुछ अगर ट्यून सुन लिया ना तो आप उसके ऊपर अपने आप लेयर्स अब बीट ऐड करना शुरू हो जाओगे, लेयर्स ऐड करना शुरू हो जाओगे. सेम वे फॉर समवन लाइक मी, आई एम अ विजुअल आर्टिस्ट. व्हेन आई एम लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक, राइट, एंड इफ आई क्लोज माय आईज, आई कैन वॉच अ मूवी. You know, I can let the emotion of that song carry me through, you know, a storyline, and like I can visually imagine it, right? Ability to visualize or process, you know, a lot of artists would agree कि
You visualize emotions in a way.
Exactly, it's like that. जब आप गाना लिखने बैठोगे ना तो इतना अच्छा नहीं बनेगा.
Yeah.
एक दिन आप बस चल रहे होगे और ना ऐसे एयर ड्रॉप हो जाएगा आपके दिमाग में एक ट्यून, है ना, और
Randomly.
वही सबसे बैंगर चीज वही बनती है, राइट?
Yeah, something that you don't expect.
Are you comfortable with who you are? Do you have a good relationship with your mental health?
Yeah, definitely. I wouldn't say that 2 years from now, but right now I am in the most stable, the healthiest part of my life.
What was your relationship with yourself?
I, for a long time, did not forgive myself for the mistakes I made, but now I did, and I am growing from that.
गलतियां की हैं बहुत सारी लाइफ में.
अरे बहुत. I have messed it up so bad that it felt irreparable. It felt like मैं कुछ भी कर लो अभी लाइफ में, ये मैं सुधार नहीं सकता. But somehow सुधार ली. सुधारी नहीं, but accept कर ली.
I mean, it's common knowledge that humans can adapt to extreme lengths, right?
Yeah, always.
आप कहीं पे भी adapt कर सकते हो, right? एक range develop करनी पड़ती है life में of all extremes.
जी.
Is there anything you'd like to ask me?
Why do you ask so many questions?
I think I'm inherently very curious. As a baby, as a child, I was the kid with the curious eyes, you know.
It shows.
मैं हर चीज़ में I just need to know. I just have a very wild, mad need to know, you know.
And why podcasts?
I think that just, life works in very weird ways. I never thought I would be a podcast kind of a person. I worked for a podcast company for 2 years and I still didn't listen to podcasts on my free time. Like, क्या nonsense है ये?
Later.
But somehow, now that I connect the dots, पता है क्या आपको realize नहीं होता है जब चीज़ें हो रही होती हैं. When you think about it in the end, that's when you realize कि oh, I was supposed to end up here. I like talking to people. I like asking people questions. I like shooting videos. I like how light falls on things and reflects off of them. मैं बचपन में कभी कभी ना अपने हाथ में ऐसे पानी पकड़ता था मैं देखता क्या सुंदर चीज़ है यार ये you know. So
Very few people actually notice the little things like pani.
पानी कितना सुंदर है यार.
Ha, that whole point that you said, it is something that I'm not sure everybody can relate to, but it is a beautiful thing to have. It is something that makes you you.
Yeah. This is not just practice for me into how to build a brand or how to make content or how to get more views. This is more practice for me to how to talk, how to ask the right questions, how to मेरे को जानना है कि तुम्हारी लाइफ कैसी है, तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या है, right? So this is what I'm learning. I think I'm learning how to make friends through podcasting.
Yeah.